If your face doesn't look as sharp and defined as the male models on Instagram or actors in movies, the reason is probably not what you think. In this video, you'll find out what they actually do to make their faces look that way, and how you can get closer to it yourself. First, let's cover the tried and true methods. Number 1, body fat percentage. Here's the hard truth. You can't spot reduced body fat. You need to lower your overall body fat percentage to see it in your face. Aim for 10% to 12% body fat for men and 18% to 20% for women. That's when you'll really see those facial features pop. A lot of people underestimate their body fat levels. Number 2, skincare. Your skin needs to be tight, firm, and wrapped around your facial structure to get that aesthetically sculpted face. Here's a no-nonsense routine. Cleanse twice daily with a gentle cleanser. Use a vitamin C serum in the morning for collagen production. Apply retinol at night to boost cell turnover. Always use SPF 30+ during the day. Number 3, diet. You need to eat clean to see those face gains. You should be loading up on foods that reduce puffiness, gives you firm, glowing skin, and are packed with vitamins and nutrients. Eat foods like salmon, eggs, avocados, berries, and green tea. Ditch the processed junk and excessive salt. They'll bloat your face and hide your facial features. Number 4, sleeping position. Your sleep position can actually affect your facial symmetry. Try sleeping on your back to avoid creating creases and to maintain facial symmetry. If you can't sleep on your back, at least use a silk pillowcase to reduce friction on your skin. These are the tried and true methods. You will see a majority of your facial gains from doing these. But some people do swear by some unconventional methods. So let's get to those. Number 5, gua sha. This ancient Chinese technique consists of using a jade or rose quartz tool to scrape your skin gently. It's been claimed to boost circulation, reduce puffiness, and can help define your features. Just be gentle and always use with facial oil. Number 6, tongue posture. Keep your tongue pressed against the roof of your mouth, right behind your front teeth. This has constantly been claimed to strengthen your jaw muscles and reshape your facial structure over time. You've probably heard of it referred to as mewing. Number 7, mouth taping. Some people tape their mouths shut at night to force nose breathing. It can reduce facial sagging and promote proper oral posture. But listen up, don't try this without researching the risks first. Number 8, face taping. This is where you use a special adhesive tape to train your facial muscles overnight. Some swear it reduces wrinkles and defines features over time. Just be careful not to irritate your skin. Remember, the first 4 methods, diet, body fat, skincare, and sleep posture, are your foundation. They're tried and true. The others are more experimental. Important points in daily life. 1. Exercise, especially strength training. Working out, especially bodybuilding or resistance training, can reduce body fat, make your face look more defined, help balance your hormones. 2. Hydration. Not drinking enough water can cause a puffy face, dull-looking skin, a heavier appearance in the face. Enough water equals a cleaner, fresher-looking face. 3. Consistent sleep, not just sleep position. Besides how you sleep, sleep quality matters a lot. Poor sleep equals under-eye puffiness plus a tired face. Good sleep equals a tighter, healthier-looking face. 4. Stress and cortisol. High stress can lead to fat storage in the face, puffiness and inflammation, an older-looking appearance. Managing stress has a direct impact on how your face looks. Always listen to your body and stop if something doesn't feel right. Face gains take time, so be patient and consistent. Thanks for watching.